So what's up my beautiful people, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. In case this happens to be your first time, make sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And also Merry Christmas to all of you watching this video. So this video is specifically made because of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. So recently a video of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce was spotted in the internet. It was trending, and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce was spotted training very hard. As you can see on your screen, Shelly is not here to play. There is no sign of Shelly playing, and it's kind of sending a very serious warning, a dangerous sign to her competitors next year that look, I am coming very hot, and I am coming for that gold medal. I feel like that is just the message, because I mean Shelly looks very serious in this video, right? But let's also talk about the fact that Shelly is not going to compete against some bunch of losers in the next year World Athletic Championship 2025, right? Shelly will be competing against top contenders like Julian Alfred, Shakira Richardson, and the almighty Ellen Thompson here. Let us not also forget about Shericka Jackson. So it is not going to be easy for Shelly. But do you really think she has a chance of getting over this top athlete? Do you think there's any chance of Shelly winning gold medal in the next year World Athletic? I feel like it's going to be very hard, right? It's going to be very hard, because I mean she is aging already, right? So let's move on to the next breaking news of the day, which is about the Nigerian Toby Amusan training in Jamaica. So breaking news, Toby Amusan, the world record holder in the 100-meter hurdles with a time of 12.12 seconds, is now being coached by Glenn Mills. Mills is a renowned for coaching two of the fastest men in history, Usain Bolt and Johan Blake. Amusan's goal is to reclaim her world title in 2025. We remember that Toby Amusan made a very big history at the 2022 Oregon Championship by being able to break her world record 2 times in the same day, and after a few years she could not repeat what she did. So I feel like it's a great move. Let me hear your opinion though.